The Early Years Foundation Stage EYFS Framework sets the standards for learning, development and care of children from birth to age 5 in England. Today, we're going to be deep diving into one of the specific areas of the EYFS Framework, understanding the world. As we've mentioned in our previous videos, the Welsh Government have their own framework, but the principles are still the same. This video relates to number 3 of the key purposes that children should be ethical and informed citizens who are ready to be citizens of Wales and the world. So this means they can find and analyse evidence, engage with contemporary issues, understand their rights as well as the impact of their choices on others and respect others' viewpoints and beliefs. Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from My Progression, and this is part 6 of our series exploring the EYFS Framework. In this video series, we've nearly covered all 7 areas of the learning and development in the EYFS, with only one left after this. If you haven't already watched our EYFS Framework video, watch it before you continue by clicking the link. And whilst you're there, why not like and subscribe to our channel and click on that bell so you never miss a new video. So what is understanding the world? Understanding the world is a specific area of the EYFS, which means it builds upon the 3 prime areas: communication and language, physical development, and personal, social and emotional development. Understanding the world focuses on helping children make sense of the world around them by exploring different environments, learning about people and communities, and discovering the natural world. Children are naturally curious and eager to explore. This area of learning encourages them to ask questions, make connections, and begin to understand how the world works. Through play, exploration, and first-hand experiences, children develop an understanding of people, places, technology, and the environment. Understanding the world is made up of 3 key aspects. 1. People, culture, and communities. 2. The natural world. And 3. Past and present. People, culture and communities involves children learning about their own lives, family and culture, as well as developing respect and understanding for others' traditions and backgrounds. Through discussions, stories and celebrations, children are introduced to diversity and learn to appreciate different ways of life. To teach young children about different cultures and communities, you could discuss cultural festivals and explore their differences like Diwali, Christmas and Eid. You could role-play different family roles to help children understand family dynamics and social structures, like getting one to be the mummy, one to be the uncle, one the grandma, and so on. You can also tell stories and read books to introduce children to different cultures and ways of life. The second aspect of understanding the world is the natural world. And this aspect focuses on helping children explore the physical world and learn about nature, animals, and the seasons. Encouraging outdoor play and exploration helps children develop a sense of wonder and respect for nature. To teach children about the natural world, you can investigate seasonal changes, noticing the differences between summer and winter. Utilise some outdoor learning and look after plants or a small garden to teach children about growth and responsibility. And whilst you're out there, you can observe insects and small animals to help children develop a sense of curiosity and care for living things. And finally, the third aspect of understanding the world is the past and present. And this involves helping children understand the concept of time and history by learning about past events and how things have changed over time. To teach children about past and present, you can compare old and new objects to help children grasp the concept of change. Discuss personal history such as birthdays and family traditions to support children in developing a sense of identity and belonging. And learn about key historical figures or events to help children see how the world has evolved. If you work in an early year setting and you want more specialist videos from us, type EYFS in the comments box below. We read all of your comments, so it's always helpful to know what our subscribers want more of. So why is understanding the world important for young children? Understanding the world helps children develop the skills to navigate and engage with their environment. It encourages curiosity, critical thinking, and respect for diversity. When children understand how the world works and how different people live, they're better prepared to form positive relationships and become active members of society. Research from the National College shows that early exposure to different environments, cultures and experiences improves children's problem-solving abilities, creativity and social understanding. It also helps develop a sense of belonging and encourages children to care for the world around them. By promoting understanding the world, early years educators help children to develop curiosity and investigative skills, recognise differences and similarities between people and communities, understand the impact of their actions on the environment, develop respect for living things in different ways of life, and learn to make predictions and solve problems through exploration. Children are assessed against the early learning goals for understanding the world. These goals have been created by the government and outline the expected level of development in each key area. Firstly, for people, culture and communities, children the expected level of development will describe their immediate environment using knowledge from observation, discussion, stories, non-fiction texts and maps, know some similarities and differences between different religious and cultural communities in the UK, drawing on their experiences and what's been read in class. Explain some similarities and differences between life in the past and now, drawing on knowledge from stories and discussions. Children at the expected level of development when learning about the natural world will explore the natural world around them, making observations and drawing pictures of animals and plants, know some similarities and differences between the natural world around them and contrasting environments, understand the effect of the changing seasons on the natural world. And finally, when learning about past and present, children at the expected level of development will talk about the lives of people around them and their roles in society, understand some similarities and differences between things in the past and now, and understand how their personal history shapes their identity. A well-designed learning environment encourages children to explore and investigate their surroundings. The physical environment is important for your children to have planned spaces where they can explore natural objects, maps and cultural artefacts. A fun and creative way to do this is set up an artifact hunting site where your children can be archaeologists and dig for clues. As well as creating an environment for learning, it's important to give your children opportunities for outdoor play to build an understanding of the natural world around them. As well as this, you should encourage curiosity in children by asking open-ended questions such as, why do you think that happened? And what do you think will happen next? As a nursery staff member, it's essential that you model positive interactions, encouraging respect and curiosity about different cultures and lifestyles through positive conversations. Overall, understanding the world is a vital aspect of the early years foundation stage, as it helps children develop curiosity, respect for diversity, and a connection to the world around them. Children gain these skills through hands-on experiences, including nature walks, role-playing, and storytelling. As early years educators, you play a crucial role in creating engaging environments, encouraging exploration, and promoting positive conversations to help children build a strong foundation for future learning and social success. I've been Natalie from My Progression, and let's keep your career in motion.